Hello children. Hello. I am teaching you about today the verbs er ending verbs conjugations. It's conjugations. Okay. Er ending verbs. All verbs ending er except ale come in this group. For example, aime, ragarde, ekute, shote, these are all the er verbs. Conjugation, do you know what is conjugation? Conjugation means when verb is conjugate with, add with pronoun, subject pronoun, that is pronosuje, subject pronoun, then it is the conjugation where this action makes us some this action makes some sense. For that example, aime means to like, to love. This is er verb ending with er. Aime, here you conjugate with these subject pronoun ja, tu, il, el, nu, vu, il, el. Here you do, first of all, what you do, you just remove er. Okay, then it becomes aim. Aim is the left one, that is called stem. Okay, then what you do, then you should aim should replace here aim here. Er is replaced with E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, and aim is written here. Aim, just like that. Aim, 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 aim. It means j'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime. This is singular. Plural, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. Here in singular, I love all life, you love all life. Il aime means he loves. Elle aime means she loves. Nous aimons, this is plural. Nous aimons, we love, vous aimez, you love, ils aiment, elles aiment. They love masculine, they love feminine. Here you do not pronounce this ENT and you just conjugate this S with this A. Okay, then it becomes il aime, elles aiment. Here it is il aime, elle aime. Ils aiment, elles aiment. This is the slight difference there. This is plural, this is singular. Here j'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime. Tu aimes, this is informal. When you address somebody junior to you or of your age, you call tu aimes. If somebody is senior to you, elder, or there are plural people, then vous aimez. Okay, this is all about the er verbs. Now there are other words, just like one second, I will tell you about that. Just like parler. Parler means to speak. This is parler. Parler, to speak. Écouter. Écouter. Écouter to listen to. Regarder, to look. Okay. Chanter, to sing. Arriver, arriver. Arriver means to arrive. Étudier, étudier, to study. These are some ear verbs, and this is called regular verbs. Regular verbs. In regular verbs, there is a pattern, a rule where you have to follow to make all the verbs conjugate. Like parler, écouter, regarder, these are all like aimer, er. These are regular verbs. They will be conjugate. They will be conjugated on that pattern, which is already done with the aimer. Okay. When you conjugate with the subject pronoun the verb, then that makes sense. Okay. That is all. And first of all thing you must know that er, ale means to go. That is not the regular verb. That is irregular verb, which I will tell you of later on. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.